Ahoy! Welcome back to Adventure Senna. Today we find ourselves in a desert crossroads town known for UFOs. That's right, we're in Roswell, New Mexico, where strangely enough, out here in the middle of nowhere, you just might find the best burger in America. Stay tuned and check out our burger review. New Mexicans are proud of our green Chile cheeseburgers. And for many of us in eastern New Mexico, this iconic orange and white pattern is pure nostalgia and summons forth delicious memories of cheeseburgers. So for those curious, I'm just showing a little quick behind the scenes. Paradox here is our drone pilot. Well, he's the only one with a drone actually, so. We have the technology. And there's a real good reason we're pulling this bad boy out here. We're here at Wataburger. We're about to do another burger review. Second ever on the channel. Frankly, the first burger review is the most successful thing on my channel, so we'll see. So Paradox here is actually controlling this drone, getting a wide shot of the Whataburger here. Wow, it's beautiful, dude.
Where'd it go?
It's over in the street, yeah.
So we'll get a couple of shots here, that way we have different angles to work with.
You have satellites on?
Yes, it's connected to 18 satellites right now. So you know it won't get any like issues cutting out.
Dude, it's beautiful.
So now I'm just gonna get a shot of it up here.
So that means you're basically over the highway, I would guess. Dude, it's like a video game. It's what we always dreamed of, honestly.
Like Forge in real life. Okay, we're gonna get a shot of the...
I see it, it's right there.
See what I mean? Bro, what the hell is like this? Get a shot of the sign there, check
it out. So this is the green chili cheeseburger watermill. Green chili double. Quite beautiful. Just waiting for Paradox to get his food before we dig in and give a little review.
Spicy ketchup, dude.
I do want to comment on the interior of this place. It's very church-like. There's a huge like steeple up here, which we'll show. Cut that in.
It's kind of like a religion in Texas.
This is essentially a burger religion, I would say, no doubt. And there's a lot of people who are fans of this particular place. So,
I'll take some spicy ketchup, and I also had a ranch too.
Yeah, so Paradox is going to take a first bite. In a minute, we'll go ahead and give a review.
I gotta tell you, this means a lot to me. Whataburger has always been my favorite burger place, especially the one here in Alien Town, Roswell, New Mexico. So,
totally
it's exciting.
The Roswell location is unique. First thoughts, goddamn.
That's it right there. That's what I think. That is it right there.
Excellent. All right, so I'm gonna go in for my first bite and try this out. It's a beautiful burger, really.
Juicy.
What's good about
It
this?
just died, I think.
Oh, really? Nope. Oh, yeah.
Oh, damn. Sorry.
I think what's best about it, it's just a classic American style burger. They don't do anything fancy. It's no smash burger or anything like that, but they do this classic American style burger, I think, better than anybody.
If it's not broken, don't fix it. You know what I mean?
Exactly. That's a beautiful burger.
It's delicious for a reason.
The green chile, a unique New Mexican twist. You gotta give that high marks, honestly.
There's constantly a huge debate between me and my friends on what place is the best burger joint. Now, to me, there's a lot that goes into it. Not just the burger, it's the whole package. The fries, the sauce, the drinks, the atmosphere, all of it. This place hits every checkpoint. I am a sauce freak. Look at this. I have to have sauces readily available anytime. And this place, not only do they give me delicious ranch, which if you know anything about me, I can practically drink that shit. It has good barbecue sauce and spicy ketchup. Where have you heard of such a thing before? That's a unique product here. You'll never find this anywhere else, and if you do, they stole it from Wataburger. Another thing that I gotta tell you is, as a guy who loves sauces, they give me what I like, and it's delicious, but in these giant cups.
Yeah, you're right.
I dip everything in my fucking sauce.
Broad.
I dip it until my fingers are in it, and I suck it all off my fingers. It's pretty disgusting, but I'm just trying to get to you across the point that this place check marks everything on my list of what makes a restaurant so bomb.
The service, you must give it credit. I mean, they bring it right to you. So if you're the kind of person that wants like table service, it's not too far of a cry. They ain't gonna bring you a bottle of champagne, but they will bring you another ranch if you ask. With that, we're gonna shut up and enjoy these delicious boigas. All right, so devastated the burger, and I gotta be honest, it wasn't at its peak performance compared to usual today. I don't know if it's busy. It is 9/11, 20 years anniversary of 9/11 here, so maybe that has something to do with how everyone's feeling. Maybe the burgers were not on point compared to usual. I will say, this place at its peak would probably score like a half point higher than this, but I would have to give it today, the green chili double at Wataburger. I would get it, man, it hurts to say, 8.5 out of 10. So today it was not slapping. It was a little on the dry side, but all the flavors were good. Overall, Wataburger is still an experience. You're gonna have to stop here anytime you're in Roswell. So definitely recommend trying it out. But Freddy's still #1 in my book. Okay. So I've just honestly dropped a bombshell, I would say. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, the whole time he's telling you guys all this behind the scenes, I'm just rolling my eyes and just dumbfounded. I think today it slapped. I think it banged. I think that Tim is being a critic. Perfectly fine, it's all fun and games. But I gotta tell you, personally, that was an A1 experience. It wasn't the best. It wasn't a 5 out of 5 experience. But to me, and I do my ratings on a chart of 5, even though it really don't make sense because I do in between points as well. But I would give it a 4 out of 5. It could have been a 4.5 out of 5. And when Wataburger really hits, it's definitely a 5 out of 5 for me. I don't know what it is. I feel like I'm a little stubborn. I'm a little stuck in my ways. And I love Freddy's, but to me there's a little bit of a rivalry there that I just like stoking the flames of. So I'm gonna keep stoking them and say that this is still better than Freddy's. Freddy's is delicious and unique, but this does the classic burger right. Does it right, and it's delicious, and my taste buds aren't lying to me. 4 out of 5.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. A little bit of disagreement, and ultimately, Paradox has actually ranked this burger lower than I did. 4 out of 5 is actually an 8 out of 10, and I gave it an 8.5. So he technically gave it better ratings, but a lower score. That's part of using the 5 scale. So
I guess it comes with the territory. I didn't think of it that way. I'm gonna have to switch back to the old school 10 chart.
I know what he meant though. I feel the passion there. So I will say Whataburger is always gonna have a place in my heart. Oh, that's sick, man.
Am I walking around it more?
Yeah.
Keep going. Yeah, there you go.
Was it tracking me? Yeah, it's pretty smooth, huh? That's cool, man.
And so, the Whataburger in Roswell, New Mexico is definitely exceptional and worth a stop. Thank you to Paradox and Friends. Please check out his YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this, also consider liking, subscribing, hitting that notification bell for us. Thanks again, and look forward to seeing you in the next Adventure Senna video.